Hello, teacher. Only I have to say you I'm sorry because I can send you this important homework on time. I have a lot of problems at neighbor, but now it's different. Now, this is my homework for this presentation. I have a great weekend of Friday afternoon. I finished work at 5 p.m. I went home and took a shower. Then I went to see a couple of my friends of about downtown. We had a couple of beers and a nice talk. Tom told us about his new job and he told us his new girlfriend. After a while, we went to the restaurant and had pizza. I went to bed late that night, but I was very happy. On Saturday morning, I went running in the park, ran 5 kilometers, and then came home. Thank you. I hope the homework can give idea I can be better.